In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new contact on HubSpot, specifically geared towards e-commerce. This is a helpful skill that can enhance your customer relationship management by keeping track of your contacts seamlessly. So let's dive right into it and guide you through each essential step. First, what you want to do is head to the HubSpot website. This is your gateway to a plethora of tools that can enhance your business operations. Once you're there, look at the top right of the homepage and you'll spot a button labeled Login. Give that a click. This will direct you to the login screen where you should enter your credentials. Logging in will bring you to the HubSpot main home screen. Now that you're on the HubSpot home screen, your next task is to navigate to the trial guide. It's often found in your dashboard depending on the version you're using. Accessing the trial guide helps in understanding the professional operations hub that is available through the HubSpot platform. With the trial guide open, it's time to move on to the Customer Relationship Management or CRM section. On the HubSpot interface, you'll notice the CRM option. Select it, and this will take you through to the CRM dashboard. The CRM is where most of your sales and customer interaction records will be located. From the dashboard, the focus is on the Contacts section. Here you will click on the Contacts tab, which hosts all the information regarding your existing contacts, as well as offering you options for creating new entries. Within the Contacts area, you will see a button that says Create Contact. This is going to be your next click. Clicking Create Contact will open up a form where you will be prompted to fill out several fields of information on the new person or company you're adding. Fields might include name, email, phone number, and any other details relevant to the contact you wish to keep track of. After entering all the necessary information, take a moment to review it. Make sure everything you've inputted is accurate. After confirming all the details, the final action you'll embark on is to click the Create button. This action will successfully add your new contact to your HubSpot database. Remember, each contact you add helps build the DNA of your business interactions, ensuring you have easy access to the communication history and a better understanding of customer needs. With all these steps completed, you've now successfully created a new contact on HubSpot. Keep practicing and soon you'll be navigating the system like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy CRM managing.